Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Talk and it's on the ukulele. So let's get started. So for this song, it's pretty straightforward from the chords, the strumming, and then the little picking in there too. But we're gonna start off with learning the chords. And there's 4 chords you're gonna be using in this song. And the first chord is gonna be an F major 7. Now, if that's a little difficult, you can also play F. So the next chord is going to be an E minor 7. Then the third chord is going to be a D minor 7. And you can also just take off the pinky and play a D minor instead. And the last chord we're going to use is going to be just like a G7. So the G7, well, we're going to use our ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret instead. Alright, so we got these 4 chords here that we're going to be using for this entire song. So for the strum pattern, all we're going to do is down strums and we're going to follow the beat. So it's going to sound like... And in that example, I just used the chord F, E minor 7, and D minor. So basically in this song, there's 2 lines that you're playing. The second line is the one that actually has the G7. So this is the first line. And then the second line, the same, but you're adding that chord at the end. So now I'll show you guys how to play that picking part. So that picking right there, so let's add in the strumming to it. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.